more than 5 decades, the B-1 launcher, formerly known as the BGM-71 TOW, has stood as one of the most respected and feared anti-armor systems ever fielded. It wasn't built to be flashy. It wasn't built to be massive. It was built for one purpose: to stop heavily armored threats with precision and reliability. And that focus is exactly what makes it so powerful. The name TOW stands for tube-launched, optically tracked, wire-guided, and those 3 elements define its strength. Tube-launched means it can be deployed from compact, portable platforms or mounted on vehicles. Optically tracked means the operator keeps eyes on the target throughout engagement. Wire-guided means the missile stays connected to its guidance system in flight, allowing precise corrections as it closes the distance. That combination transforms it from a simple rocket into a controlled, intelligent strike system. Power, in this case, is not just about explosive force. It's about defeating armor that was specifically engineered to survive battle. Modern armored vehicles are designed with layered protection, reinforced frontal plating, and reactive armor meant to disrupt incoming threats. The B-1 launcher counters that with advanced warhead technology, including tandem charge designs that first neutralize reactive defenses before penetrating the primary armor beneath. Instead of relying on brute force alone, it uses shaped energy to concentrate its effect exactly where it matters most. That efficiency makes it devastating against vehicles that would otherwise shrug off conventional firepower. Then there's its range. Engagement distances measured in kilometers. Mean operators can strike from beyond the effective reach of many armored guns. Distance creates survivability. Survivability creates tactical advantage. When a system can eliminate a threat before that threat can effectively respond, that changes the balance of power on the battlefield. And unlike unguided munitions, the B-1 launcher allows continuous tracking during flight, adjusting as necessary to stay on course against moving targets. That level of control dramatically increases hit probability, especially in dynamic combat environments. One of the most significant advancements in its evolution is top attack capability, seen in variants like the BGM-71 TOW-2B. Instead of slamming directly into the thickest frontal armor, this version flies over the target and strikes from above, where armored vehicles are typically most vulnerable. It's a tactical shift that reflects a deeper understanding of battlefield engineering. Rather than confronting strength head-on, it exploits weakness. That strategic design philosophy is a major reason the system has remained relevant for decades. But perhaps the clearest sign of its power is its longevity. Since its introduction during the Cold War era, it has remained in service across numerous armed forces worldwide. Military technology evolves rapidly, and systems that fail to adapt are quickly replaced. The B-1 launcher endured because it consistently proved effective. It adapted to new armor technologies. It integrated improvements. It maintained reliability in extreme environments, deserts, mountains, urban terrain. Few weapon systems remain operationally relevant for that long without delivering real results. Ultimately, what makes the B-1 launcher so powerful is not just penetration capability, or range or guidance alone. It's the combination of all 3. Precision guidance ensures accuracy. Advanced warhead design ensures effectiveness. Standoff distance ensures tactical safety. Together, those elements create a system that can neutralize some of the most heavily protected vehicles on the battlefield. It represents the evolution of anti-armor warfare, where intelligence and engineering outperform sheer size and raw explosive power. And that balanced combination of reach, control, and armor-defeating capability is exactly why the B-1 launcher has earned its reputation, and why it remains one of the most formidable anti-tank systems ever deployed. Yet the B-1 launcher remained effective in all of these contexts. That flexibility is not accidental. It stems from a design philosophy that prioritized modularity, ease of transport, and operator efficiency. A system that can be carried, deployed, and maintained without excessive logistical burden naturally finds enduring value across different military doctrines. Another critical factor behind its longevity is accessibility. Unlike many highly specialized or technologically complex anti-armor systems that require advanced infrastructure and training pipelines, the B-1 launcher balanced sophistication with practicality. It did not demand overwhelming technical support to remain operational. This meant it could be fielded not only by major military powers but also by smaller armed forces seeking credible anti-armor capability without investing in prohibitively expensive platforms. In an era where defense budgets and procurement strategies vary widely, that balance between capability and cost significantly contributed to its global adoption. Technological upgrades further extended its service life. As armored vehicles evolved with composite armor, reactive armor, and improved defensive countermeasures, the B-1 launcher's associated munitions evolved as well. Warhead design improvements ensured it could remain relevant against contemporary threats. Guidance enhancements improved hit probability, particularly in dynamic combat environments. Instead of being rendered obsolete by innovation, it absorbed